Hi, well I'm outside here in rural North Wales, and I'm just doing a quick 5-minute photo lomography video. I did put out a video a few weeks ago suggesting I was going to do the odd review of cameras, particularly film cameras, if exclusively film cameras. And the one I'm going to do today is it's a little Nikon AF. It came out in 1993. It was just a cheap point and shoot camera from a quality camera manufacturer, Nikon or Nikon. Just made in China, plastic construction, point and shoot, autofocus. Pop the film in, pull the film across, close the back, press it a few times and it'll tell you where you're up to, and Bob's your uncle. I run the film through this. These are the results. Well, what can you say? They're not particularly good photographs, are they? They were taken on an out-of-date Agva film. They were scanned on a run-of-the-mill Epson scanner. They were developed in Boots, which is a UK high street, one of the few high street stores. It's a pharmacy store that does developing. But if you compare them to these, which were taken by an American guy called Matthew Paul Argel, as you can see, there's a hell of a difference. The second batch, I don't know the film that they were taken on or the film speed, but certainly the light has a lot to do with it. Mine were taken on a very dull, typically dull North Wales day. These were obviously taken in a nice sunny locale in America, possibly California or Florida, I don't know, I'm just guessing. But obviously light makes a difference, and you can see the quality comes out in the second batch. So obviously light has a lot to do with it, as does the quality of the film. You're going to get better quality photographs on a better quality film. But so this is a cheapo thing. I actually got this in a batch. It was untested, sold as seen, spares a repair. It works fine. So the Nikon AF 200, cheap and cheerful, point and shoot, idiot proof, does everything for you. Is it worth it? Yeah, if you can pick one up for peanuts, which you probably will. It's getting a bit old now, a bit long in the tooth, but then again, most film cameras are these days. Yeah, it'd probably do the job. And if you want to test your hand at film photography, you don't want to spend a lot of money, then this will do the job. Yeah, so okay, yeah, give it a sort of qualified thumbs up for the Nikon AF 200. Okay, catch you soon. Ta-ra.